if you're new to our channel, my name is Chris, this is my partner Larry, and we are going to Orlando for 10 days and then a Bahamas cruise for 4 nights. So this is a little vlog just to document our trip, and yeah, we're going to see if we can do this vlog thing that a lot of people do. We're going to take you along for the ride. So we're in the car, we're just getting ready to go. We're waiting for the windscreen to demist. It is 5:49 a.m.
And it's 2 degrees.
And it's 2 degrees in a few short hours, not a few, more like 16 hours. We're going to be in 28 degrees heat, which I'm very, very excited for. So we'll take you along for the ride. But first, we have to go backwards to pre-travel day. It's working! It's not pre-show, it's pre-travel day. And we're printing.
The printer's working.
It works. Shh. Touch wood. Don't say anything, you might scare it away. Esther, authorization approved. 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 But we have Esther approved. We have Discovery Cove reservation. Our car hire reservation. Where's my mouse? We do not need it in colour, black and white, because we're not wasting the ink. Print. So we're currently on Orlando attraction tickets, where we bought our Discovery Cove and Disney tickets. But the cool thing about Orlando attraction tickets, you get all these free offers. So you get a eat and play card, which gives you discounts at like different restaurants like Denny's, steakhouses, many different places. This free play for less e-card, we're actually having a bit of trouble with it. Every time you click print voucher, there's nothing on there to actually show you how to download, how to get the card. Nothing on the app or nothing on the printout to show where to actually get this e-card or register the card. So we're having a bit of trouble with it. So I don't know if we're going to be able to use it. But there's other things on there like discounts for Bloomingdale's, Florida Mall, Macy's, Mall at Millennia, Pirates Cove. That would be a good one if you've got kids. British Pub. Personally, I'm not going to Florida to eat British food, so I probably won't be using that. Private escape rooms, lots of different things. We got our Discovery Cove and our Disney tickets from there. It was actually the cheapest we found, wasn't it? By quite a bit. It was like...
Scoot on in.
It was a good couple £100 at least.
Yeah, and then they had the 10% off.
Yeah, there's a 10% off discount.
And then did we get like an extra £10 somewhere off something as well?
I think so. There's an offer on at the time. You just use the promo code, like the word TEN10. You always get 10% off. Oh no, that was it. You save £10 per ticket. Yeah, that was it. So, and because we obviously bought 4 tickets, we had 40 quid off the whole thing. Plus, I think there was a deal on at the time, which was like what 10-15% off anyway as well on top of that. So we actually had a really good deal for Disney and Discovery Cove. So we're going to Discovery Cove the first day. Yeah. The Friday, because we land on tomorrow, Thursday, and then on Friday we booked straight into Discovery Cove because we figured it's going to be one of the hottest days while we're there, so we thought we might as well go in the water, right? And
it worked out cheaper to do it on that day.
It did work out cheaper, yeah.
It depends what day you go, what price you pay. Yeah. So it worked out cheaper to do Discovery Cove on the Friday and then book our Disney tickets from the Saturday.
From the Saturday, yeah. So yeah, if you are looking to get Discovery Cove or Disney tickets or any tickets, definitely check different dates, because obviously, naturally, you're going to want to book them from the day you land. So say, for example, we're getting there on March 13th. We thought, oh, we'll put in March 13th as the first day to book them. But then we thought, well, actually, let's try a different day. And moving it on 2 days, for Disney at least, it was like, what, 60-70 quid cheaper? Yeah. Something like that per person. So
yeah, we saved quite a lot of money.
For the sake of 2 days, you might as well do it. Because, personally, we're landing in the evening. We're not really going to have much chance to do anything on Thursday night except get the car, get to the hotel, and then have some food, and then probably go to sleep. So Thursday evening's a write-off. Friday, I don't want to jump straight into the parks because it's going to be tiring and very hot. So it's quite a nice, how it's worked out has been quite nice. We're going to have a nice relaxing first day in Discovery Cove, and then we're going to jump into all the parks, aren't we? Yeah. Yeah. Folding the cruise tags ahead of schedule.
Oh, we need to go pick up the tag holders. Oh, we need to grab lanyards.
We do need to grab lanyards. We have luggage tags, as they call them, for the cruise, which we're going on after we do 10 days in Orlando. And we have bought from Amazon, I'll put the link in the description, a few luggage tag holders. Is that what you call them? Holders?
Yeah, they're like, tag holders.
Luggage tag holders. You're not like just putting this paper, because you've got to kind of fold it in the middle like this, and then staple it, and then attach it to your bags. But obviously it's just paper, and it can easily fall off, or you know, if it's raining and the bags are outside of the ship for ages, then it's going to get soaking wet and disintegrate. So I've saw a lot of good tips on a few Facebook groups that I'm part of, and they said get some of these plastic tag holders, because not only are they waterproof, but they're going to protect the tag, and they've also got a little, like a steel cable to attach it to the bag, so it's not going to go anywhere, and your bag will definitely get to the room. So that is everything printed. We also have No Mercy Wrestling lanyards for our cards on the cruise. You've got your nails done. Sparkly, lovely.
Sparkly biab, just
Nice.
to keep them nice and pretty.
Yeah.
Because running a wrestling company, your nails get destroyed.
They do. They do. For those of you that don't know, we run a professional wrestling company. It's called No Mercy Wrestling Event Production. And we have 2 promotions. One is called No Mercy Wrestling / Brilliance Pro Wrestling. And the other one is called VCW Pro Wrestling. You should go on to vcwprowrestling.co.uk or nomercywrestling.co.uk to find out more about each of the promotions. Also, I forgot, go to demandnomercy.co.uk to see all of the shows from both promotions. That is officially locked for 15 days. Is it 15 days?
15, yeah.
Alright, let's go. Hello. Problem is now, I'm gonna have to hold the phone like this. Although I have a new doodah.
Where's the doodah? Is it in your bag?
It's in my bag. I love this sound. Although this isn't us actually going to the airport, even though it does feel a little bit like it. This is just finishing work for 15 days. Where's the car?
Literally wrapped the corner.
Okay, that is the first case in the car. Sort of, because we still have to unpack it and then pack stuff into it, because my wrestling gear is in there at the moment. Once that is done, pack all of the normal bags for the holiday. And then we'll be good to go, right? Now, we need to go to storage, because I was a bit of a silly goose, and I forgot to get the GoPro, which we're going to be using for all of the underwater shots that you're going to be seeing. Yeah, so we're going to go to the storage, collect the GoPro and other camera bits, go to get our dollars, and then lunchtime.
I reckon I can climb.
Okay. Well, the mats have fallen since we put them in the other day.
Yeah, but I think they're more sturdy, so I can probably get on.
Please be careful. So as you can see, running a wrestling company is not all glitz and glamour, as a lot of people might think. Or maybe you don't think that. Either way, there's a lot of stuff for people.
The other 2 ladders.
Oh, that's good news.
They are right underneath everything back here.
We only needed them last Sunday.
There was absolutely no way I would have done that.
No. But yeah, you can see there's a lot of extra stuff that's involved, like trying to find stuff, places for all of the junk. Mats, steel chairs, speakers, steel chairs, table legs, weapons, mats, an old locker from our old training school, a broken table, another broken table.
This is not the box I was looking for.
Just having a little bit of lunch before we have to go back to the office, because we forgot to print some stuff, didn't we? And we need to look for a GoPro, because we cannot find it absolutely anywhere. We're back in the office.
Yay!
As you can see, we've kind of ripped it apart trying to find the GoPro. No luck, unfortunately. Unsuccessful.
But we had to come back.
I'm back anyway to do some printing, because we forgot to print. What did we forget to print?
The car parking.
The car parking
and
confirmation.
Then Bordessa.
And then our travel agent decided to send us loads of shit that we completely forgot about. I'm going to print that now. We don't have to print a lot of it, but better safe than sorry, isn't it?
Print.
Alright, have we got everything?
We have.
We've got car parking.
Yep.
Hotel reservation.
Yep. Universal tickets.
Universal tickets. Was there something else?
Car park. No, that's it.
That's it?
Yeah. And then we've got all the other stuff already in the folder.
Cool.
Ready to go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Again.
So, I've also bought one of these for the holiday. The DJI Osmo Mobile 7 gimbal. So we're going to have a look and see what this bad boy's like. If you've probably noticed, I'm kind of just holding the phone with my hand. So not exactly very nice, stable shots. But hopefully, once I open this and get it going, you should see a difference. So I'll open it up and we'll have a look. So this is what's in the box. Obviously, the gimbal itself. I'm assuming that's a charger. Here is documentation. And I think that's it, maybe. I don't know, I'll have another look in there in a minute, but let's get her open and see what she looks like. You know, it's very light. It's like really, really light. Pretty comfortable to hold in the hand as well. That's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. That's really cool. Because obviously, when you're vlogging, you don't want people to be staring at you too much. You want it to be quite discreet and obviously small enough and light enough to take in your luggage. So I'm going to set it up and then we'll have a look. Obviously, phone is not on it yet, but I will attach it and then you should see a difference. So this is Sir Edward of Smelly Bum Bum, and this is Lady Margaret of Bedwas, or the Duchess as we call her. I think they're going to miss us while we're away. We have our dollars.
For now, my bag.
Yeah. One bag is packed. Kind of two bags, in a way. If you want to save some space, you can take the neck pillow out and attach it to the handle.
I can.
I promise you, this room does look tidier normally. There's just so much stuff everywhere. But we're getting there. We're almost there. We're almost there.